going on, YouTube fam? We about to get this Instagram rating on the road. I really ain't done one in a while. I think the last time I did one I had COVID, and I really haven't been motivated to even mess with the YouTube stuff. So we about to get this thing back started, and I'm dropping every week from now on. So we gonna start with Ryan. It's a notch. No, Kyle Coley. Cannoli. Man, I don't know how to say your name. Race car. Looks pretty good, man. I got a thing for Fox body, so the car look pretty good. It just looks so mean. I don't know what it is about it. I really don't know what you got done to it, but it looked like you was doing some work to it. And you say, here comes the new build back on the jack stands. I feel that. Got the nice S550 there. Another Fox. So overall, I'm gonna get that car. I'm gonna get that car 8, man. This car pretty clean for it to be old. I mean, you know, you really don't see too many old ones that still look good. So yeah, we're gonna get that car 8. We're gonna move on. Let me see how I do this. Usually be on my phone. What? I guess we gotta go back to Instagram. Oh, wait, something. Alright, up next is Dope West. You, Ryan. My bad. Look like you may have a 2018 to 2020 GT. Really don't have many good pictures. That's a pretty good one. Then you got it in the dark. There in the dark. Okay, so first of all, pictures, they ain't the best, but I love that color. Look like you're really a gamer. You fuck around with the Pokemon. I ain't dealing with it. That car, I'm gonna give it a 6.5. It really ain't much to it. I think you should lower it. Maybe put another set of wheels on it. Maybe a splitter or some sort in the hood, and that car would be kind of perfect. So we're gonna move on to the next one. We ain't gonna dwell on it too long. About to figure out how to work it. Gubs 3 valve. Hope my camera don't die. You only got 2 pictures and you want your stuff to be rated. Make it make sense. So first of all, you got an S197. Pretty clean. I like those wheels. I was looking at those wheels for my car. It needed to be lowered. Maybe GT500 front bumper. Take those fog lights out, because those fog lights, I don't like those fog lights. It's a pretty clean car. No, I'm gonna give it a 6. It ain't really much to it besides the wheels. I don't know what's under the hood, but somebody even said dunk ass wheels, cuz. So you just got this new build like 30 weeks ago. You should be done lowered or something by now. But I don't know your financially position, so situation. So yeah, I don't know. Car still clean. I ain't gonna knock it. Moving on. Ebony 5-point slow, or Ebony. Ebony. Okay then, bro, you in love? Wait a minute. Okay then, sis, you in love? I'm tripping. Man, I don't fucking know. Both of y'all in love. That's all I know. I don't know who page it is. Tyler Lowe. I think it's a he. Yeah, it gotta be a he. Pretty stock, but it look good. Like you might have put some wheels on it right there. Trying to get some stuff out the trees on. See what you got going on right here. Haven't posted in a while. Look like you're getting your ass towed up. Okay then. You started moving then. Oh man, you missed the gear. Hey, that's lit. That car moved. Car moved pretty good. Okay then. So I'm gonna rate this car. I'm gonna give this car a 7, just because it looks stock. Really ain't nothing done to it. But I'm giving you that high because you really have fun with it. You racing. You don't bullshit around. So yeah, we gonna move on to the next one. All right, moving on. Let's see who we got. Mach 1 Zach. What's going on with you, bro? Florida boy. Still got that clean Mach 1, man. You really need to sell me that Mach 1. This picture overload. That thing is clean. And I think you take your own picture, so yeah, that's pretty dope.
And everybody around you is so basic. I'm never rocking white, I'm like a race.
Okay then.
I don't drink my liquor with
Big jamming. Hey man, don't do that shit no more.
only thing I'm chasing.
I don't know, man. Maybe you're just in love with that. So that Mach, it's pretty much stock, man. Stop looking. I'm gonna get that Mach 8. Then we're gonna rate the GT500. I'm gonna get the GT500 a 9. It's pretty clean, which I already been rated these cars before. Not like you did much to them since then. At least not the Mach. Got the nice wheels. Got it lowered. At least it looked lowered. GT500 really don't need much anyway. All right, let's move on. See who we got next. Makio 50. I think I said that right. If I said it wrong, send me a voice recording and tell me how to say it. Feel me? Okay. Let's see what you got. Look like you're playing in the snow. See, that's why we get our reputation for having bad cars right there. You want to go drift in the snow. At least you ain't hit that parked car. I guess. That sound good though. Interior. I like that interior. You got brown seats. That's pretty clean. And you got the Alcantara shift boot. That's nice. I tried to install one of them. It didn't come out right. I think I'm kind of slow. You just got a lot of videos of your exhaust. How many times you gonna goddamn post this exhaust clip? You just got it, so I really can't say much about it. I'm gonna give it a 7. Overall, it sounds good, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna mod it. But you say you got the sound where you want it to sound, so you may not do much to it. So we're gonna move on. It really ain't much done to that car. Fernando 3 valve. Okay then, bro. You probably gonna make, more than likely you're gonna be the cover photo between you and Mach 1 Zach. I just love y'all cars. Look like since the maybe no, I'm tripping. This car clean though. S197, 05 to 09. I never liked that model, to be honest. But yours is clean. That yellow and black just go together so good. Then you got a drag pack on it. I'm hoping you got a supercharger or something. But that drag pack, that's a nice roller. I'm really hoping you got a supercharger. See what you did in the snow. Nothing, just took a picture. Ain't you from California? Oh, nah. Greensboro, North Carolina. Hey, man, we need to link. We can link for a photo shoot. I'm always down to travel and, you know what I'm saying, work that camera. My boy. I'm gonna get this car a 10, man. It's pretty clean. I don't even like this body style, but it definitely got me. Then you ain't got no badges, so it's just like a clean, smooth look. That yellow and black just go together good. You got the clear corners, tinted, different headlights, got a nice grill, splitter. You got everything pretty much done on this car pretty good. See what this is. Okay then, big cam. Oh yeah, that sounds good. I can't wait to cam my 2 valve though, man. It should sound just good, I hope. We're gonna move on before I get stuck listening to your exhaust all night. Let me see. Hennessy 3 valve. Whole lot of 3 valves on this one. Damn, is that a 3 valve? You got the carbon fiber thing, the quad tips. Damn, that's clean. Is that a Roush? Damn, that's pretty clean. I think it's a Roush. Unless you just up-bashed it. Got nice headlights. Maybe this ain't a 3 valve. Oh yeah, it's definitely a 3 valve. So you put Roush badges on it? Oh, maybe I'm tripping. Let me go look. That may say GT. I might be tripping. But that's a 2010, got to be. I like that deck lid you got in that color. It goes together. I got sponsored to get one of those, and shout out to 11 to 14 Mustang parts. I really don't know if I want to get that carbon fiber one though, cause like just rip pieces just threw together. I mean, but it look good though. I'm gonna get this car a 9. It's a clean 3 valve. It's the closest thing to having a 5.0, if you ask me, body wise. So you ain't trying to be there too long. Let me see. Marsh 5.0. Put it back.
It's mine.
You're not supposed to talk while I record. Merry Christmas. Okay. Out there in the train. I wish we had some spots like that here to take pictures. Shit clean. Need a better photographer. Oh wow, you the photographer. Oops. Oops, my bad. You learning though, I mean. Texas. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna be out there running with them Texas boys soon, wide open. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if y'all can see this. Dang. At least you can see me. At least you can see me, you know what I'm saying? Hey man, y'all go follow everybody, man, cause I don't know if y'all can see that car or not. Let me see. Really too late for that shit. That car clean, man. I'm gonna get this car at 8. Pretty much stock looking, but it's pretty clean. Pretty clean stock car. Got the Euro tail lights, diffuser, stock wheels. You probably gonna do wheels soon, I'm pretty sure. Look like you went from performance pack to premium. So that's pretty clean. It looked like it was bag right there. So I think you might have just did like an edit on it, Photoshop. Everybody can't be bag like me, man. Let me show you what a bad car looks like. There you go, no Photoshop. Feel me? No Photoshop. Can I zoom in? I like my own picture. Alright, last but not least, we gonna, what's the guy's name? Syntex 5.0, John Flores. Okay then. Got the party boys on the back. Like he was riding in the snow. Let me see, can I zoom in? It's really too late for that. Nah, that ain't gonna work. Bump it. Go ahead and get this over for my camera die. Car pretty clean. Like you have a little fun with it. You try to get a roller right there. It ain't turned out too good. Kona blue on Kona blue action. Car feels great. Damn, you was beating the hell out of somebody. Damn. Overall, man, I'm gonna get this car. I'm gonna get this car 8.5, man. It's pretty clean. Just got a drag pack on it. You need to get rid of those tail lights. Maybe a smooth deck lid, and I think this car would be pretty clean. Maybe I boss front bumper. I don't know if that's one or not. Oh well, you already got it. This car pretty clean, man. I think you need to go a little lower with it. Maybe bag it. But overall, it's pretty. I'm out. It's pretty clean. I'm finna go. So I catch y'all next week. I'm gonna be rating 10 more cars. So tell a friend to tell a friend to hit me up on Instagram at S197_Ken, and I get them on one of the shows, one of the videos, however y'all want to name it. And I'm out.